Lisa Beers, owner of a boutique web design studio specializing in custom websites and blogs. You can visit me on the web at beersdesign.com. This video is about the all-in-one SEO pack plugin. Each of my training videos are designed for novice users and are broken down into small, simple segments. Let's get started. I've logged into WordPress and I've gone to my login. You first go to the dashboard. Now I want to activate and configure the all-in-one SEO pack plugin. I've already installed this plugin, and you can see how I did that in a previous video I made about installing plugins. I'm going to click the little triangle and click on Installed. You can see here that all-in-one SEO pack is listed, but it's in gray. It's not active. So I'm going to click to activate it. Once you activate some plugins, you'll notice a warning at the top in yellow. This will let you know of any additional setup or configuration that's required before the plugin will work properly. We can access the settings page for all-in-one SEO pack simply by clicking on this link. If you don't see the link, or if you need to come back to the configuration for a plugin, most of them are put under settings. When you activate a plugin, most of them will go into this menu under settings. Some plugins will actually create a new tab because it has multiple options. But many of the plugins that you may have on your blog or that you may install are going to be found here. So you can always come under settings and click here to come back to the main configuration screen. Minimally, all I have to do to get this working is to click Enabled and scroll down to update my options. SEO, all-in-one SEO pack is now running on my website. Now this is the home page to this training site, and if you notice up here, it just has development. It has the name of the blog as I've specified in my settings. Title tags are the information that appears in the top of your browser. If you're using Internet Explorer, that information will be in the blue bar flush over to the left. These title tags are very important to Google and other search engines to understand what a page is about. They are a key factor in helping you try to rank for specific keywords. So it's very important that throughout your site or blog, you have unique and descriptive title tags that are relevant to what each piece of content, each page, or each post is about. All-in-one SEO pack makes this extremely simple. There are lots of settings on the configuration page, most of which are all this list of crazy looking fields. It's perfectly fine to leave them as is. If you don't really know what you're doing, it's probably best to leave them at default. If you are a more advanced user and know more about SEO, you may want to tweak these, but it's perfectly fine to leave them as is. There are also additional fields you can use for other page headers and pages to exclude. In most cases, those aren't needed. One of the key points I want to make about the all-in-one SEO pack plugin management screen is this is where you actually set your title tag and your meta tags for your homepage. Right now, as we noticed, this just has the name of my site. Say I want to set my title tag unique for my homepage and create a meta description and meta keywords. I simply type in what I want to go into my code and click Update. Coming back to this end, I'm going to refresh my browser screen, and now you'll see that Welcome to my training site is showing up as my title tag. Meta descriptions and meta keywords are not visible on the page to visitors, but this is information that's visible to Google. So I'm going to view the page source to show you. This information right here is what the plugin is inserting into the code of your site. As you can see, this may make your eyes cross, and you probably don't want to be tinkering around in this information. So All-in-One SEO Pack allows you to put in your title tag, your description, and your meta keywords without touching any code. It's going to do it for you. When you create a new post, or when you install All-in-One SEO Pack, unique title tags and meta description is going to be created for you. This is going to prevent untitled appearing or all of your title tags being the same. It's going to ensure that each of your title tags is relevant to the content on the page. So I'm going to click, and now I'm viewing a single page blog post about this one particular piece of content. As you can see, I have some title tag in here. If I go to About, it shows About. If I go to Subpage Twice Removed, it shows Subpage Twice Removed. What's happening is All-in-One SEO Pack is pulling information. Let me come down to Movies too. What it's doing is pulling the page name. So let's come up and look at our post. And the name of this one is Movies 2. This is the information that gets used for your title tag for the page. This is by default. By default, the meta description is pulled from the first few words of text in your post. It's perfectly fine to leave these as is because hopefully you're writing real blog posts and not samples like I am, and hopefully they're going to be appropriately titled to what your content is about. If you are more advanced in search engine optimization and you've done some keyword research and you're trying to optimize each of your pages and posts for particular keywords, that's where All-in-One SEO Pack really shines. You simply go to the page of content that you want to optimize and scroll down. The plugin inserts this new block into your Edit or Create Page or Post screen. So you can do this when you're first creating a page or post, or you can come back and edit an existing page or post anytime in the future. All you simply need to do is type in whatever you want your title tag to be for the page. And whatever you want your description to be. You also can set your meta keywords here. When you do this, all you need to do is update the post. I'm going to show you what it's done. I'm going to refresh this page. And notice now that my custom title tag is in the title bar. Also, my custom description and my custom keywords are here. So this is a great plugin. By default, just installing it and activating it and setting a homepage title, description, and keywords is really all you have to do. The plugin itself will create your title tags, meta description, meta keywords for every page on your WordPress site and every post that you make in WordPress. It'll do this by default using the title of your content and the content pulled from within the post or the page that you write. However, it does give you ultimate control if you do get more advanced with SEO tactics and techniques and you want to really beef up your on-page optimization. You can fully manage all of your title tags and meta tags without touching any code. Well, that's it for this segment. As a client, you can gain access to additional training videos on more advanced features used in maintaining your WordPress-powered website or blog. If you're interested in a custom website or WordPress blog theme, please visit my site at beersdesign.com. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.